Hello my dear guests. With year 6 there was nice addition constants keyword. That means that you can create variables that nobody can change with some caveats. Also, if you compare constants to let, constants have a small performance boost due to garbage collector. Let me show you how you can use it. To define constant, we use const keyword. So let's say const x equals to 4. Now we cannot redefine it. So when we type x equals to 5, we will get an error and we'll say you try to reassign constant. You cannot do it. It works for all simple types. So if we have string, it's the same. But here's one small problem. If we try to define an object, let's say type dog, we cannot reassign. So if I type x equals to new object, we will get an error. But we can change it inside. If I type x type equals to cat, and let's console log x, we will get type cat. So be careful about when working with array and objects, because you can actually mutate. And if you want to know how to make object and array immutable, I will create 2 separate videos for them. And that's it. And remember to take small breaks. It actually helps you a lot.